in lingerie going in. All set now. Field set on their way for the $2 million Breeders' Cup filly and mare turf. Along the inside, we have Star Billing sprinting away to lead them early. Star Billing goes to the front. Zagora in the orange cap's taken a nice hold. Marketing Mix showing good speed today. Marketing Mix, Gold Colours, is up in the second spot. On the outside, In Lingerie's taken a strong hold. Right in behind that comes Stormy Lucy. The Fuge in the pink colours tucked in at the rail. 4.5 off the leaders. Up is right alongside of that. And Narain pretty keen to go on. Gold Colours on the outside. Then we come back to I'm a Dreamer. Alongside of that is Ridder Senior. They're only 5 off the leaders. And last of all is Lady of Shamrock. Into the turn they go, and Star Billing just at a steady pace here, not in any hurry. Marketing Mix is right there in the second spot. In Lingerie's a close-up third. At the rail is Zagora in fourth, 3.5 off the leaders, right alongside Stormy Lucy. Up is racing alongside of the Fugue. The Fugue and Up are stride for stride, only 4 lengths off the leaders. In behind that, Narain. I'm a Dreamer's keen to go on from third last. Behind that comes Ridder Seniors, second last and 7 lengths off the leaders, and 2 back to Lady of Shamrock. They have a half-mile left to go, and it's still the long shot. Star Billing in front. Marketing Mix has been second throughout. In Lingerie on the far side. Zagora waiting for room down at the rail. Now Up has moved into contention, 3 lengths off them. Stormy Lucy. The Fugue, pink colours at the rail now. The Fugue full of run. Can the Fugue find somewhere to run now? Blocked in at the rail. They come to the top of the lane, and Marketing Mix goes looking for the lead. Star Billing tries to hang tough. In Lingerie, the Fugue, pink colours on the inside, still looking for room. Zagora in the orange cap. Zagora, the Fugue blocked in behind him. I'm a Dreamer, nowhere to go either. Marketing Mix on the outside. Zagora. Zagora's outrunning Marketing Mix, and Zagora is going to win it. And Zagora has won the filly and mare turf to Marketing Mix, and unlucky the Fugue had to settle for third. It looked like Ridder Senior came running on for fourth.